In today's design, we're going to be importing the canvas for a deck panel and get that calibrated up. I chose the 2-foot 3-inch dimension to calibrate my deck panel. And then I started working off of these known dimensions here. Typed in an exactly 2-inch line right there. And then I used the offset to offset exactly 3 inches above that because I'm trying to adhere to all the given dimensions. Once again, I was able to use that 3-inch offset to continue a line out 5 3/8 of an inch. No longer needed that temporary line after I connected to my 2-inch line here. And again, in this particular project, I'm going to be creating a lot of temporary mirror lines in order to transpose, copy exact mirror images. There's a temporary mirror line that I used right there. I made another temporary mirror line to complete out to the edge of the panel. And that last little lip right there. Finally, I'm in a position where I can mirror again off of a temporary line and complete the remainder of my original panel, which is going to represent the bottom side. Now I'm going to zoom in just a little bit and show you how I use the offset command. Because we are talking about a 16 gauge, that's basically 1/16 of an inch. I'm offsetting to make sure that I can place a correct gauge. And then on each end, after I've completed that offset, there's a little gap in the panel, that 16 gauge gap or 1/16 of an inch gap that I had to connect there and on the opposite side. So once I connected that correctly, I was able to go ahead and extrude because I have a closed path that I could extrude. In this case, I extruded 36 inches. And I no longer need my canvas, so I can toggle the visibility on that and save my work for the deck panel. At this point in time, you should have accumulated quite a few different types of parts in your new project folder. And make sure you always upload a shared public link to the hub for a grade.